guys, I'm back. So right now guys, still she haven't yet finished, but Christina finished already. Okay, so like almost we ahead of me like 30 minutes in the shower room. But me, you see, I'm very fast, so everything I finished. So she's still inside the toilet. So right now, while she inside the toilet, we need to prepare her very important thing, okay, before we go see doctor for her booster, okay, for third vaccination. Okay, what we need guys is her IC. So very important is IC. So we need to check her because this is the one that I put everything her thing inside. So we need this one because she is a special child. We need to bring this one so that they know that she is a special child. We need to put her in the here like a ID so that they know that she is a special child. And some more, we need to check her IC. So the IC is here. So the IC is here. So I need to prepare this one. And next one, I need to prepare her the card for last vaccination because they need to check this one. I need to bring also. And the last one, we need to bring her, what's that? Need to bring her token. So that's very important. And some more I need to additional because her medicine now, the calcium that every day she take is almost finished. So our schedule for next doctor for appointment for her, the one that where we can buy her calcium is in UH here in Singapore. But because our schedule is by the end of they changed end of November, so her calcium is not enough. So I bring this one, then I try later if I can buy there when we go to the clinic for her booster together with my boss. So I don't know what happen later if I can buy. If not, then maybe end of this month I need to go out to go in UH to buy her calcium. So because that one is she take every day 2 pieces every day. So that's very important for her because of her bone. That one is calcium. Okay, so that's all guys. So I need to put inside my bag. So I need to put everything this one inside my bag. Okay, so my bag is here, so ready. So I need to put here so that later easy to find. So here is nothing to put, only maybe I put one ball pen. I put here. Okay, so that later easy to find for me to take. Okay, so ready. So my bag also guys is complete. I put also everything here. I put also my this one because later is so hot, then I can tie my hair. And that's it. So I need to put also inside everything here, so that not forget, because very important thing. All the important thing I need to put inside my bag. Of course I need to bring also alcohol. So wait guys, I need to put here test so that all these things. So I need to put also my thing this one because just in case later my boss if don't have the calcium there, maybe I buy something, I buy somewhere. So I need to bring. So I need to put also one pin inside my bag. I need this one also to put inside my bag so that I have extra. So almost she done. She already going out, so I need to prepare for her. So wait a while guys, I'm back. Then I show you what the next because still I need to put her cream. So I show you guys. That's why I tell you. Then maybe you can see I share with you this one to okay, even to help you can see. So I put cream for her. I go there first to put her cream. Okay, so we will see if I can. So this is my work guys. So that you know. Wait guys. So that you can see. So this is my work. So I need to put her cream first. Wait. Saturday. Saturday. I don't know what happened to her. Guys, alam niyo ba na may pagkamaldita to? Pero dahil sa marunong lang ako talaga magdala guys, so kaya siya napasunod. Pero actually, may ugali talaga siya. So, kita mo just now. Okay, so I need to focus to me because you see, you can see what she's doing now. So after I put her, she do her stuff. Okay, wait a while guys. Wait a while, need to change because she need to change her clothes. Give her privacy first. Sorry. Sorry for bothered. So yeah. So dito tayo. Wait a while guys. I update you guys later. Okay. So that's my work. So that's why everything I need is in my bag. Of course, I need to bring this one because very important for me, guys. I need to bring this because something to read later I cannot see. Yes, so I need to bring this particle. Okay, so I need to put inside my bag. It's very important, guys. So that's it. And I need to put alcohol. This one is alcohol, guys. This is alcohol. So I need to put inside my bag. We need to bring alcohol also and extra mask. Okay, I need to bring extra mask and that's it. I have already been inside. Actually, I want to bring guys water. I need to bring water maybe because right now it's so hot, right? The weather now is hot, guys. You must drink more water. That also I'm doing, guys. I drink more water. If I feel like itchy, like you feel this one is dry, then you need to more drink water. Okay, that's only the medicine. Okay, so yeah. So ready na tayo, guys. So we wait na lang natin yung boss natin na dumating, and then after that maybe we go down. So I wait also for his message, so having it, so because right now it's so early. So after this one, she go out, then she need to watch TV first. She watching TV, then until my boss is message me, then there's a time we go down. Then I update you later, guys. Okay, I update you later before she take vaccinated, but I don't know if the doctor allow, so I don't know yet. But I let you know, and I update you later also when we go down. Then I try to video if I can, and that's it. So easy, but of course I need to be patient about her, guys, because I let you know the one that don't know about it, about Gunas, about how I take care of her. She is special child, guys, so she need the people to understand what her situation, what her attitude. So maybe I put the link here in my YouTube channel. You can check I have previous videos, guys, here in Singapore 2000. I think that one 2016. 2018, the last one, 2018, the first video that you can see me in YouTube, guys. The media interview also us is 2016. So 2016, I'm on the Straits Times also. They interview me also in the radio and the TV. And the second one is 2017. They take us a picture, but you can see also I have also, and I'm there also on Straits Times, the newspaper. And then 2018, that's the time that we have live video here in my Golda's house. So I put also the link of this video, guys. You can check there, and then you can watch our video there with Goldas, how I did, how the media interview about me here in Singapore. And some more 2018, actually 2017 2018, I think, I don't know what month that one. Also, I have interview also there, but only the posting only in my their YouTube. So that one is the past also interview me also. So you can, I can put also the link also here in my YouTube, in my video. You can click there, and that's it guys. So maybe I update you later. Okay, so everything I put here, all the link that about me, when how to take care of Golnas, so you can check it out in my description box. I put all the link there. You can click there guys, so don't worry. So I update you every time, so that you have idea if you take care, like if you are FW, how to take care elderly. And abangan nyo guys, to all my kababayan ko dyan na gusto pa mag-abroad. So guys, mayroon akong share sa inyo dito guys sa video ko na to. Halimbawa, mag-apply kayo dito sa abroad, tapos domestic helper, tapos yung trabaho, yung boss niya is like Chinese, because before I have also Chinese employer. So I teach you guys how you cook the vegetable, how to cook the simple way only, but that one is very, but that one is very important for them, because when they eat, they have 5 dishes in the table, sometimes 6, but it depends. So I show you guys that one. But even though I take care now Gulnas, I take care elderly, but I try to cook also Chinese foods in the here in the house. So don't worry about that, I can share with you guys. So thank you so much. I hope this video can help you. Okay, how to take care elderly, how you protect the elderly when you walk downstairs. Maybe you can watch my previous video, how to take care ama when you go down. And of course guys, you wait, because I try my best to update you what I'm doing every day, so that you have idea. Because guys, really my work is like, I tell you how many times that my work is not like, maybe you can say that what my work is, because guys, my work is like overall. So I'm a caregiver, I'm a domestic, I'm yun, all around. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning the house, everything. So I'm doing that one. So I sleep with her. So because guys, I'm doing this one because most especially right now, we cannot go out, right? So this is the time that I need to share with you how to release my stress, because we cannot go out, right? We cannot go home, we cannot take vacation. So everything is there. So it's bothering with you if you don't have nothing to do, right? So you need to find way, okay, to not to think too much. Okay, so what I'm doing guys is only sharing with you. This is my way how to release my stress. Okay, so it's not about overwork, it's not about that, because here my work is like so easy also for me, because you know why, my boss they understand my situation, and I can tell my boss what inside that bothering with me. I open to them. So that's why guys, I advise you, don't be afraid to tell your boss what you feel, so that they can understand you also. Sometimes we need to keep it nonsense, but sometimes we need to brought out guys, so that they know also. So nobody can help us guys, only our boss. Okay, so if somebody tell you like this, yeah, of course they can help you. So but the first one can help if you have problem guys is your boss. So don't assume to tell your boss if you have problem. Okay, so it means the problem is like about your work. Okay, of course it's not the nonsense. Of course you cannot tell, you cannot open to your boss. That one is like, of course that one is nonsense, right? That's why they say nonsense. So you must talk to your boss is related to your work, and then they can understand you. So that's the only way guys that you can work, what's that, work that you're no thinking anything about it, because you can talk to your boss properly. of course, if something that we are not perfect, we are human. Sometimes we made mistake, but we need to accept that. That's normal. So don't worry about if they, sometimes we need to tell them, and then they tell, they scolding you, or that one is not scolding, they are teaching you how you change it. So you must think also, if really the one they tell me is like teaching me, or they are scolding me, of course you can feel it. But for me, guys, when my boss tell me something, yes, I'm also like high temper. I have also, we are, everybody have also like that, even though you're very very good, but sometimes we need to calm down, because myself also, if something that I'm very, but after that, when I realize, guys, okay, so you need to calm down, okay, so that's very important. Okay, so see you later, then I wait with my boss. I update you guys after when my boss is coming to pick up us, going to Goldness Booster. So that's why I only share with you guys what very very important things you need to do when you go see doctor, to bring the residents, to bring your boss, or ama going to see doctor, what you need to do, what very very important things you need to do. Okay, so that's the only, guys, your boss very like trusting you, because you know how to manage your time, you know how to prepare the thing for your employer. So that's it, guys. So I hope you can learn, you can have idea, okay, about that. Okay, so bye bye, guys. My boss already messaged me, is coming. Okay, bye, see you later, guys. Bye. Hi, guys, we're here downstairs now waiting for my boss. So I update you later, guys. Okay, so noisy. Okay, so we're going to clinic now to take vaccine for Gulnas, for her booster. Actually, 3 of them. So waiting. They're coming now. They're coming. Gulnas, come. Gulnas, come. Coming now, guys. So you can see her car outside. They're coming now. So we're come. Yeah. Here. Hey, come. Go. Go. Hi, ma'am. So we're going out. We go inside the car now. She can sit. Careful. Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Good morning. Because I'm vlogging. Yeah. So now we're going to clinic.
Computer. Yeah, computer.
Hi guys, just finished vaccine, so we need to wait 30 minutes. Then after that, we go home. So this is the last. Bye guys, thank you for watching.